Buen día, Arizona. This is Tucson Mayor Regina Romero.
Hi, I'm Peoria Mayor Kathy Carlett, and it's my pleasure to be with you on this Earth Day 2021.
Hello, Arizona. My name is Paul Deasy, and I am the mayor of Flagstaff, Arizona.
Hello, I'm Sedona Mayor Sandy Moriarty.
Hello, Arizona. I'm Mesa Mayor John Gile.
Hi, Arizona. I'm City of Tempe Mayor Corey Woods.
Hello, I'm Phoenix Mayor Kate Gallego, and I'm happy for Phoenix to participate in Earth Day Arizona.
Hello, Arizona. I'm Town of Oro Valley Mayor Joe Winfield.
The past year has showed us the importance of regional collaboration. I am proud to join mayors across Arizona in honoring our Mother Earth, reaffirming our commitments to climate action and sustainability, and inspiring others to act, not just on Earth Day, but every day.
Our planet's environmental health is incredibly important and intertwined on so many levels with our own health, and we need to do whatever we can to get everyone involved.
Collectively, we can protect our precious and diverse natural resources and secure a thriving future for Arizona. Here in Tucson, we are committed to become a net zero city by 2030. We are developing our first climate action plan that will center the voices of frontline communities. We are increasing tree canopy in low-income communities of color through the Tucson Million Trees Initiative. And we are installing stormwater harvesting basins as much as possible when planting trees. We have installed 30,000 solar panels in city facilities that generate 10.5 megawatts of energy annually. We are piloting a zero emissions bus and are on track to receive 5 more next month. We are also shaping our code to promote equitable, transit-oriented, and mixed-use development.
Sedona is finalizing our first climate action plan, which will chart a path to reducing our community's greenhouse gas emissions by 50% by 2030. We must use creativity, innovation, and education to reach our goal.
At the City of Phoenix this year, we are focusing on our transportation system. We have had a big year, including major investments in a more walkable, bikeable Phoenix and our mass transit system.
We have many programs and services that help keep the town of Oro Valley environmentally friendly. Oro Valley promotes leave no trace practices in our parks and trails, and our community has banded together to keep our roadways clean. Our Water Smart program promotes water conservation, and we invest in our water sustainability with projects like the Allied Signal Reservoir Replacement. And we've harnessed the power of green energy by installing solar shade structures.
Mesa is taking action on climate change by adopting a climate action plan to protect and conserve Mesa's environment and natural resources. We are extremely proud of our city's responsible approach to sustainability, with programs that prioritize renewable energy and reduce carbon emissions.
So what is Tempe doing to contribute to a healthy planet? We are taking action on climate change by investing in the Tempe streetcar, mobility hubs, and working with our utility companies on utility-scale solar to build the clean energy economy right here in Arizona. We are building community resilience by investing in our shade canopy, cooling centers, and shade infrastructure to reduce the impacts of extreme heat. We have hired our first urban forester and our first emergency manager to support residents in keeping cool and staying connected. We are centering equity by prioritizing a supply of affordable housing and access to multimodal transportation.
The city of Peoria is a rapidly growing city, and I firmly believe that we need to seize every opportunity to be sure that Peoria residents 10, 20, or 50 years from now will enjoy the same first-rate quality of life we have today. We are committed to minimizing the city's effect on the environment, conserving energy, and encouraging citizens to meet their needs without compromising the needs of the future. That's what Earth Day is all about.
We have come so far. We are not done. Becoming a net zero city will take every person, every sector.
This Earth Day, I invite all community members across the Oro Valley and all of Arizona to join forces and take action from your home by conserving water, recycling more, and using less energy.
I want our children and grandchildren to enjoy the seeds we plant today, and we all have a role to play to ensure our planet is healthy for future generations.
I challenge our Tempe residents to give feedback and input into our Climate Action Plan update. Are issues like clean energy, waste and recycling, green infrastructure, sustainable transportation, and social justice important to you? Let us know by participating in our Climate Stories series, which will allow the community to give their input on the city's climate action efforts via text.
I invite all community members to join forces and take action from your home, such as riding your bike, eating more plants, or saving water.
I invite all community members across Flagstaff and the world to join forces and take action from your own home by conserving water and improving energy efficiencies in your home, utilizing our public transportation system, and in Flagstaff, our world-class urban trail system. These small steps can make a huge impact for our environment.
Earth Day is a great opportunity to inspire conservation and do something that protects our environment. We are hosting a number of Earth Day events throughout our city, such as the popular Plant a Tree Challenge. Visit our Party for the Planet website to learn all about the Earth Day activities happening in Peoria and join the sustainable drive to thrive in our desert.
I invite you to take action today from your homes and businesses. Our small steps can make a big impact. Conserve energy, use less plastic, and plant trees and other native vegetation.
So this year for Earth Day, I would encourage you to take one trip that you would normally take in a car and find a sustainable mode of transportation to use. We also hope that you'll join us in activities throughout the city, including Days of Service project for tree planting, cleanups, and other ways to beautify our community. Thank you for all you're doing to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, enjoy our great outdoors, and make every day Earth Day.
The most important action you can take is simply talking to your friends and neighbors about climate change.
I encourage all Tucsonans to join forces and take action from your home by avoiding single-use plastics, supporting local farmers and businesses, and driving less. These small steps can make big impacts. Get involved. Visit earthdayaz.org to learn about Earth Day actions happening in Tucson and actions happening across Arizona during the month of April. Together, we could protect Mother Earth for future generations.